Hello guys, this is Anurag Sharma and today I'll be discussing with you structure and functions of Reserve Bank of India. Now, what is Reserve Bank of India? Reserve Bank of India (RBI) is the central bank of India and it is also called Bankers Bank. It is the apex institution of country's monetary policy and financial system. These two terms will be discussed with you in next slides, and it plays a leading role in organizing, running, supervising, regulating, developing the monetary and financial system, and the design and conduct of the monetary and credit policy are its special responsibility. So basic and most special responsibility of Reserve Bank of India is the designing and conducting of monetary and credit policy. The Reserve Bank of India, it was established on 1st April 1935 and it was established in accordance with the provisions of the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934, RBI Act 1934. Now, its central office was initially established in Calcutta, and but it was permanently moved to Mumbai in 1937. And initially, it was constituted as a private shareholders bank with a fully paid up share capital of rupees 5 crores. Guys, in economics, these numbers, these data, dates, these terms are very important, so I'll request you guys to note down these numbers and details, especially dates or any paid up capital amount, things like that. And after nationalization in 1st January 1949, the Reserve Bank of India is fully owned by the government of India. Its executive head is known as governor. It is called governor, who is assisted by deputy governors. But as per the constitution of Reserve Bank of India, there cannot be more than 4 deputy governors of Reserve Bank of India, and definitely other officers also. It has a central board of directors supplemented by 4 local boards which are serving our northern, eastern, the southern and western areas, and these local boards are located at Delhi, Calcutta or Kolkata, Chennai and Mumbai. These are the major functions of Reserve Bank of India. RBI as a currency authority, RBI as a bankers to government, RBI as bankers bank and supervisor. It is a controller of money supply and credit, which is also known as monetary policy. And how it acts as a foreign exchange manager, its monetary data and publications and promotional rules of Reserve Bank of India. Now guys, I'll be discussing with you these functions in separate chapters, in separate lessons, but in today's presentation I'll be discussing with you the first two functions of Reserve Bank of India, which is RBI as currency authority and RBI as banker to government. Now, how RBI acts as currency authority? Now guys, I bet you all of you know that RBI is the sole authority for the issue of currency notes other than 1 rupee notes and coins which are issued by government of India, but its circulation is done by Reserve Bank of India. They are printed and minted by 1 rupee note, 1 rupee note and coins. Guys, listen carefully, that's 1 rupee note and coins. These two things are issued by government of India, but their circulation is carried on by Reserve Bank of India. So RBI, and again a general knowledge question, that what is the difference between 1 rupee note and other notes? The first basic difference is that 1 rupee note is issued by government of India. Why I'm telling you, why am I stressing on this point? Because government of India has recently announced that they will again reissue 1 rupee note. So what is the basic difference between 1 rupee note and other currency note? Is that 1 rupee note is issued by government of India and other note is issued by Reserve Bank of India. First difference, other notes, other currency notes carries signatures of governor of Reserve Bank of India, and 1 rupee note carries the signatures of finance secretary. Now there are two separate departments, the issue department and the banking department, which are responsible for the issue and the circulation of currency notes. Issue department, it is responsible for the issue of notes as per demand made by banking department of Reserve Bank of India. Once the issue department issue notes, the currency issue should be backed by the assets. And what are those assets? That asset can be gold coins or bullion, it could be foreign securities or government of India's rupee securities of same value. So if government is planning to suppose issue notes of worth rupee 100 crores, so they have to backed up by the same amount of assets. And the issue of currency is into circulation, and its withdrawal from circulation takes place through banking department of Reserve Bank of India. So I think this is clear now, that issue department and banking department, what these two departments do. Issue department is responsible for the issue of notes, and banking department is responsible for its circulation and withdrawal from circulation. So this is the how RBI acts as currency authority. Now, this is a list of various mint and presses where, along with our currency notes, other official papers and official judicial papers are printed, and where our coins are also minted. So, I request you guys again to note down this list, because I have seen in few competitive examination, they have asked questions related to these mint and press, which are responsible for the printing and the paper of this special purpose, be it judicial paper, be it any stamp, be it any coin, be it any medal. So these are the mint and presses. Now, the next second function of Reserve Bank of India, how RBI acts as a banker to government. It is a banker to government, either it is central government or state government. It transacts all banking business of the government. Now, what RBI gets in return, government keep their cash balance on current account deposit with the Reserve Bank of India, and Reserve Bank of India provides short term credit to government, be it central government or state government. Now, but the basic difference that how RBI issues money to central government or state government. Now, guys, please make this thing clear, that ultimate monetary authority of the country is the central government. Now, apologies for the spelling mistake, central government. Now, central government is the ultimate monetary authority of the country. And now, why I am saying this, because the central government is empowered to borrow through treasury bills any amount it likes from the Reserve Bank of India. So this particular you can say this particular treatment which central government enjoys, that particular treatment makes Reserve Bank of India, the central government is the ultimate monetary authority of the country. RBI also provides short-term advances to state government by the way of ways and means advances. We'll discuss this technique, this mechanism in later lessons. And apart that, it's national from its national funds, but national funds can only be utilized for development of agriculture. Now, that's how our Reserve Bank of India also act as banker to government. So that's all for the introductory part of Reserve Bank of India. I hope you enjoyed it. Now, guys, please kindly give your valuable feedback and reviews. Happy learning. This is Anurag Sharma signing off. Have a great day ahead.